no change in the order. Adolf Peter is fourth, Baffin fifth. Very close behind is Glenn Tender now being asked for an acceleration. Not really responding well. Kojiguri is out on the track. Then there is Elodium as they now start to wheel around the corner. A length and a half behind is Smart Supreme. Spark of Glory coming into the picture. 2.5 lengths behind is Altogether Singita. And Glenn Tender is dropped out to be last. And as they straighten up their homeward bound in the Rosantis,